Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shanrak again, and today's my cooking vlog is fried chicken. Okay guys, I will cook crispy fried chicken. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Okay guys, this is my whole chicken. So, I bought fresh chicken, guys. Okay, ika-cut ko muna siya. Yan. This is how I cut the chicken, the whole chicken. So, I'm going to cut this, guys. I don't like this part of chicken. So, I throw away that. Okay, and then, see, I cut here. Okay, this is our chicken breast. So, I cut the chicken breast first. Ayan, so, I cut here into half. Oopsie. Ayan. Make sure guys na sharp yung inyong knife. Okay. Ito na siya. So, be careful not to cut your finger. Okay. I'm like expert of cutting chicken guys. The whole chicken. Nasasanay na lang ako. Okay. Para hindi siya madurog kapag kailangan malakas. No? Yan. Then ito yung yung taste. Yan. Okay na siya. Okay. Okay. Then ito yung kanyang wings. I cut into a small, guys. Pero tanggalin ko ito yung too much. Okay. This one, people like to eat this, but some people don't like. Ayan. Usually sa market, ito yung kadalasan na chicken mid-joint wings ang binibili namin. Mga frozen. So, ito na siya, guys. I-marinate ko na siya muna, no? Okay. Okay guys, this is our chicken now. This is our ready to marinate. Okay, first is I add salt, guys. So, imamarinate muna natin siya sa salt. Then, lagyan natin ng pepper. White pepper or black pepper. And then, I use concentrated chicken, guys. This concentrated chicken has no added MSG, guys. So safe siya and good to marinate the chicken. Yan. Then i-mix natin. Use your hand. Make sure na yung hands ninyo is clean para ma-mix natin ng maigi yung ating chicken. So we are using our hand. Okay. Ayan. So we add a little bit of salt, guys, para medyo may lasa siya mamaya pag naluto na natin. Ayan. Mas maganda kasi pag yung hand yung nag-mix ng ng meat. Ganitong klaseng pag-cut ng meat. para ma-absorb ng chicken yung mga ingredients. Okay. And then I put egg. 1 egg, guys. Ayan. Mix natin. And then, I use fried powder, guys. Ito, pang, ano natin, pang thickening natin. Fried powder, Diamond brand. You can buy this in supermarket, Park and Shop, or Kaibo. Yeah, made in Hong Kong. This is good for frying, guys. Kahit sa fish, pwede siya. Sa mga, ano, seafoods, yeah. Okay, guys, it's ready to cook na ang ating chicken. Our chicken. Okay, lang guys, this. Please. So, mas maganda, guys, pag nag-fry kayo ng chicken is kailangan maraming mantika. I-fry siya para lutong-luto yung kanyang loob. Okay, my recipe today is fried chicken, steamed pork, steamed fish, and vegetable, and corn, carrot, and chestnut soup. So that is our dinner for today. Dinner for tonight. Okay, nakikita nyo, guys, hindi tumatalamsik yung, hindi tumatalsik yung mantika. Hindi ako pinamain ni Mr. Oil today. So, ayan. So, pag nag-fry kayo ng chicken, guys, huwag nyo siksikin lahat ng chicken para hindi siya magpipipit para maluto lahat. Hindi pa natin magamit itong ating oil, guys. So, don't show your use oil. So, dapat pala tikpan muna natin ano. Tikpan na natin ang maigi. Look at this one, guys. I cut and I try. Very yummy. Crispy. Okay, guys, this is our second group. Second group. Yeah, second batch. This is our second batch fried chicken. Okay. Okay. So, tanggalin na muna natin. And then, ibalik natin siya mamaya, guys. Yeah. See, diba? Very nice. And ayun guys, so naluto ko na rin yung lahat. Yung third batch ng ating crispy fried chicken. And then, i-reheat natin siya ulit guys. Priprituhin natin ulit guys. Okay? Para namnamin natin yung crispiness ng ating fried chicken. Okay? Hindi pa siya enough. Hindi pa siya crispy enough. So, cool down a little bit guys. And then, ibalik natin siya mamaya sa ating oil. Okay? Just wait for a moment. Okay guys, let's reheat again our fried chicken. Madali na lang ito guys kasi yung aking storage ay puno na. So, ito siya. Crispy. Crispy fried chicken. Very yummy and crispy. Okay guys, ayan. Tikman natin. So, I tried a small one. Saan ba dito? Tikman ko. Okay guys, tikman ko. Very yummy oh. Crispy. Delicious. Thank you for watching guys, and